Have you ever noticed that things feel more expensive every year? Groceries cost more, rent goes up, fuel prices increase, but your money stays the same. This silent force reducing the value of your money is called inflation. In this video, we'll explain what inflation is, why it happens, and how it slowly reduces your purchasing power over time. Inflation means the general increase in prices over time. When inflation rises, each dollar buys fewer goods and services than before. In simple terms, your money loses value. You are not losing money physically, but you are losing buying power. Let's look at a simple example. 10 years ago, $1 could buy more than it can today. A product that cost $1 in the past might now cost $2 or more. That change in price is inflation, the same money but less value. Why inflation happens? Inflation happens for several reasons. Sometimes demand increases faster than supply. Other times, production costs go up. In many cases, more money enters the economy. When more money is available, prices tend to rise. Inflation is usually slow, but over time, its effects become very noticeable. How inflation affects savings. Inflation has a big impact on savings. If your money is sitting still, inflation slowly reduces its value. For example, if inflation is 3% per year and your savings earn 0%, you are effectively losing purchasing power every year. Your money is still there, but it buys less. Long-term effect. Inflation may not feel dangerous in 1 year, but over 10, 20, or 30 years, the impact becomes much larger. Money that does not grow slowly loses its strength. This is why people say inflation is a silent enemy of savings. Saving versus growing. Saving money is important. It protects you in emergencies. But saving alone may not be enough to protect against inflation. To maintain purchasing power, money often needs to grow over time. This is why understanding inflation is essential in personal finance. Real-life impact. Inflation affects everyone. It impacts daily expenses, retirement planning, and long-term financial goals. Even small inflation rates can create big differences over long periods. Ignoring inflation can quietly damage financial progress. Key takeaways. Inflation increases prices over time. It reduces the purchasing power of money. Saving alone may not protect against inflation. Understanding inflation helps you make better financial decisions. Final thoughts. Inflation is not dramatic. It does not happen overnight, but slowly and consistently it changes the value of money. Being aware of inflation is the first step towards protecting your financial future. Inflation explains why money buys less over time. Once you understand how it works, you can better plan for the future. Knowledge is one of the strongest tools in personal finance. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Please do your own research before making any financial decisions.